In this video, I will show you how perpetrators inject payloads in legit applications such as WhatsApp. They do that, and by using social engineering techniques, they get these apps up and running on end users' smartphones. So suppose now we're the bad people. Here I'm using a different OS and a pen test box. It's the Parrot. Just for a change, you can do the same thing in Kali. So users will usually go to these websites, APK Pure, APK Mirror, etc. that we've seen earlier in the course, and they search for any application. Now I'll search for WhatsApp here and press the button. Now go to the first result, WhatsApp Messenger, and download the APK. So let's close that now. I have already downloaded that and it's on the downloads. So this is the WhatsApp APK, supposedly the legit one. Now I'll open that in terminal. Where is that here? So I'll open that in a terminal. And as you can see, I can see the application. Now I'll go to a super user. By simply issuing one command, which is the MSF venom, then -x, you have to specify the name of the application, then provide the P parameter for the payload, which is Android Meterpreter reverse TCP, then you specify the local host. I'll put just an IP now, and the local port, again any port for now, and the output is, for example, hacked.apk. Now MSF Venom will try to reverse engineer the application, decode it, decompile it, inject the payload, change the manifest file by putting a new dangerous what do they call them, permissions, and then it will compile the code again. So we'll wait for that to finish. It'll take like a couple of minutes. As you can see, it's decompiling the payload, locating hook points and adding the permissions to the Android manifest.xml file, and this is the output here after the decompilation and the insertion or the injection of the payload. So I'll stop that. I'll just show you. I'll go to this directory here and a list. So as you can see here, we have the original APK, which is the WhatsApp, and the payload APK. We have the original folder and the payload folder. So let's see the difference between the original manifest. So I'll just leaf pad it here, Android manifest.xml. To clarify my point, I have placed both Android manifest.xml files side by side. The legit one is on the right and the forged one is on the left. If you look closely, you will see that the content is totally different. Here it's obviously generated by Metasploit, and if you look closely here and drill down, it looks like this is the legit one generated by WhatsApp. So this is how perpetrators inject legit applications. They will compile the applications later on using the Android Studio, for example, or even the APK tool in many cases, and then they upload these APK files on many platforms that we have discussed earlier in this course.